What is Binance Web3 wallet? Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see what is Binance Web3 wallet. So Binance recently added this particular feature on their application or app, and you just have to switch from exchange to Web3 in order to get into this particular Web3 wallet. So this is basically just like the MetaMask and all the other Web3 wallets that existed before. So the functionalities are also almost similar. You just have to create an account on Web3 wallet and it is quite easy, just one click away. And after that, you will be able to see that there is a send and receive option just like other wallets and the swap option. But what is the need of this particular Web3 wallet when there was already an exchange over there and you could be doing all these stuff on your own already? Well, the biggest reason is that you would be able to interact with Web3 applications using this particular Web3 wallet, which was not possible before on the exchange. So as we are growing in this crypto space further, there will be more D apps or DeFi platforms, and in order to interact with these DeFi platforms or D apps, you just have to have this particular Web3 wallet. And also the cross blockchains will be able to interact with each other, so you don't have to worry about different blockchains or different tokens or coins being exchanged. You would be able to get the Stellar USDC and then convert it to USDC of some other blockchain and then send it from your Binance Web3 wallet to wherever you want it to send. So this way it will provide some ease in doing the transactions. That was quite tricky earlier because we had to use bridges and all sort of platforms in order to send one crypto from one place to another place. Suppose I had a crypto from AVEX blockchain and I wanted to send it to Ronin wallet. I had to do a lot of stuff and all sort of bridges. But with the help of Web3 wallet, you would be able to send all sort of cryptos from different blockchains using just one wallet. And you can just see it yourself that there are USDT from Binance over here, from Ethereum also. And when I expand it even further, you will be able to see that there are all sort of USDCs from different networks. There are so many USDTs available over here. So this way you won't get confused and will be able to collect USDT from all the networks and convert them or swap them into some other blockchain. So this way it will provide ease of transaction to its users. And also the biggest reason is that all the crypto over here is held by you and not Binance. So you are the sole proprietor of your assets and not the Binance. And Binance even says the same. When you click on this option and check, it actually says that it is your custody wallet, self-custody wallet, and Binance is not responsible for safeguarding your assets. It's you who is going to save your assets. But on the exchange, Binance could just block all the transactions on its own without even telling you. So this way it's a good step from Binance by providing this Web3 wallet. So this was a short review of Binance Web3 wallet. I hope this video was helpful. If you want to create an account on Binance, you can just check the description below and sign up using my link. And I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.